In this video, we're going to look at the interior angles of polygons, specifically regular polygons to begin with. Now, before we can work out the interior angle, we have to find the exterior angle of a polygon. Now, we know that exterior angles add up to 360. So it's 360 divided by 10, giving us 36 degrees. So our exterior angle here is 36 degrees. Now to find our interior angle, we do 180, take away the exterior angle. So it's 180, take away 36. So I know my interior angle here is 144 degrees. Now, if I'm asked to calculate the sum of the interior angles, that means all of the interior angles. I know that one angle is 144, and I know I've got 10 of those angles. So each one is 144, so that'll give me 1,440 degrees. Now here I've got a regular hexagon. Again, regular means that all the angles are the same and all the lengths are the same. So I'll start off by finding my exterior angle. So the 360 divided by 6, this is 6 sides, which gives me 60 degrees. So to get my interior angle, I do 180, take away my exterior angle 60, which will give me 120 degrees. So all of my interior angles are 120 degrees. I'm asked to calculate the sum of the interior angles. I've got 6 of those, which will give me 720 degrees. Now here I've been given a heptagon. It doesn't mention the word regular, so that means that my angles are all different. So first of all, I add up the angles that I know. So they add up to 771 degrees. So now I need to work out what a 7-sided shape should add up to. Well, I know that 3 sides is 180. I know 4 sides is 360. 5 sides would be 540. And you should now be noticing a pattern that we added on 180 degrees every time we add on a side. So 6 sides is 720. So 7 sides would be 900 degrees. So I've got 900. Take away the 771. Which is going to be 129 degrees. So x would equal 129 degrees. Here's some questions for you to have a go at. Pause the video, have a go at these questions, and then come back and check your answers. So here I've got 2 regular pentagons. I'm looking for the exterior angle here, where the 2 shapes meet. So I need to find this angle first. Now I know the exterior angle of a pentagon is 72 degrees. So I know the interior angle is 108. So that would also make this angle 108. And this angle would also be 108, because they're both regular pentagons. So I've got 108, add 108, which is 216, 360, take away the 216, is 144 degrees. So here I've got a regular hexagon and a regular octagon. So I'm going to work out this angle first, which is the exterior of the hexagon. So it's 360 divided by 6, which is 60 degrees. So then the interior angle would be 180, take away the 60, giving me 120 degrees. Now I'll work out the exterior angle of the octagon. So it's 360 divided by 8, as is 8 sides, which is 45. So then I've got 180, take away the 45, will give me 135 degrees, which is also here. So now I've got 135, add the 120, giving me 255, 360, take away 255, is going to be 105 degrees. Now lastly, we've got a regular hexagon, we've also got a square, and then a triangle. So we know to work out the exterior angle, we can do 360 divided by 6, which is 60 degrees. So then I've got 180, take away 60, giving me 120 degrees. So I know that A is 120 degrees. Because it's a regular hexagon, this angle here is also 120 degrees. I'm going to put it outside because there's a little bit more work I need to do with that angle. This shape is a square, and we know squares have 4 right angles. The one I'm interested in is this one here. I can now work out that angle in the triangle, which is 120, take away the 90, which will give me 30 degrees. Now remember, regular means that all sides are the same length. So this side is the same length as this side, and it's the same length as this side. Now this being a square is significant, as it means that all the sides in the square are the same length as well. So that means we've now got an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle means that 2 angles are both the same. So that would mean I haven't got 1 B, I've got 2 B's. And we know a triangle adds up to 180 degrees. And we can take away the 30 degrees that we know, which will give me 150 degrees. I can now do 150 divided by 2, which will give me 75 degrees. So I know that these angles are 75 degrees each.